Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is George with Pro Solutions Paints and Instagram name. Today we will be talking about what we're working on, doing this sheetrock insulation and sheetrocking this wall. Last week we did one-sided. We were waiting for that electrical on, so everything's done now. Now you have to just insulate it, sheetrock it, and get to it. ¿Ves, Losito? Acá dentro del 16. ¿Cuánto te la vas a...?
¿Cuánto la doy?
16.32.
Ah, está bien, güey. Así, güey. Tú, espérate, güey. Aquí te va a poner un grupo, güey. Profesional.
Se mamó el vato.
¿Qué nos marcamos? ¿Qué imputiza? No, no hay que ponerlo, güey. Nomás lo vamos a ponerle 16. El 32 no lo vamos a poner. El 32 no lo necesita.
Si quieres lo pones, no.
Ese es de preferencia. Nosotros preferimos no ponerlo.
Ponle uno acá abajo.
Dile que para la otra vamos a comprar una bolsa.
Hey guys, as you can see right now, we are done. We already insulated, sheetrocked it. It took us around 2 hours to get it done. I talked to my client. He wants to hold off because he's in a budget right now. So, holidays coming in. So, expenses coming up. So, I just want to give a shout out to JJ Work Apparel. We're sponsoring me with shirts right now. I'm still working on it to do some my shirts. But, I just want to give a shout out to him. And stay tuned for my next video.